Ever opened the Ally Bank app, taken a look around, and thought, am I really using this to its full potential? I've been an Ally customer for years, and even I was just using the basics for a long time, just the high-yield savings account and the checking account. But I did some digging, and frankly, I was shocked at the genuinely useful, yet totally underrated, features built right into the platform. These are things that have seriously leveled up my personal finance game, and I almost never see people talking about them. 1. Savings buckets, the hyper-specific goal setter. When I first opened my savings account, I had one big lump of money. It was overwhelming and unclear what I was actually saving for. Now, with savings buckets, I don't. This isn't just about labeling accounts, it's about mental accounting built right into the app. I have one single high-yield savings account, but inside the app, I've virtually broken it into buckets: emergency fund, new car down payment, holiday travel, and property tax. The money all earns the same high APY, but when I look at the balance, I immediately see how much is designated for each goal. It keeps me from touching my emergency fund for a vacation because the money is visually separated. It's a simple feature, but it's been the most effective tool for keeping my savings goals segregated and on track. 2. Boosters, the surprise savings and recurring transfers. This is where the automation really shines, and it's what I consider truly set-it-and-forget-it banking. First, recurring transfers is basic, but essential, setting up a transfer to my emergency fund every payday. The underrated part is that I can set up transfers to different buckets on different schedules, all from one place. Second, the surprise savings booster is the real gem. I set this up to analyze my linked checking account. It quietly scans for what Ally calls safe-to-save amounts, small amounts that aren't tied up in bills or upcoming payments, and automatically moves that money into my general savings, sometimes 3 times a week. It's literally found me hundreds of dollars over time that I would have just spent without thinking. It's a frictionless way to save money I didn't even realize I had. 3. Coverdraft, the overdraft safety net. For a long time, I associated overdraft with terrible fees and stress. Ally calls their service Coverdraft, and it's genuinely a fee-free safety net for their spending, checking, account. It gives you up to a $$250 buffer if you have qualifying direct deposits. I had a moment last month where a subscription billed early, and instead of getting hit with a $$35 fee like at a traditional bank, the transaction was covered without any penalty. It's not an excuse to spend money you don't have, but as a genuine, no-fee backup for accidental timing issues or small mistakes. It's a huge relief that most customers don't even realize is active in protecting them. 4. No penalty CD, flexibility when you need it. This last one is for the slightly more advanced saver. Ally offers a no penalty CD or certificate of deposit. Traditional CDs lock your money away for a fixed term, and if you take it out early, you pay a penalty that eats into your interest. With the no penalty CD, you get a fixed, competitive rate, but you have the flexibility to withdraw your full balance and interest earned any time after the first 6 days following the funding date. I use this for money that needs to earn a fixed rate but might be needed for a major purchase in the medium term, like 8 to 12 months from now. It's better than a standard savings account for the yield, and it gives you a crucial emergency exit that a regular CD just doesn't offer. It's the perfect middle ground. The big takeaway here is that Ally is more than just a place to get a good interest rate. It's an entire suite of financial management tools. Taking 15 minutes to dive into the settings and activate these features, especially the savings buckets and surprise savings, can completely change how you save and manage your money, and it's right there waiting for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.